Hello everybody, hello JPEG here and we are in Melaka for the week. So right now it is actually 6 and we're gonna look for a place for dinner. I actually have a whole list of what to eat and thank you, shout out to Mariam, and we're gonna try a few places, but first we're gonna go to Jonker Street and get some shots there and maybe some food. By the way. See you. Bye. And let's get a haircut. I look like a rejected mafia.
Should I make an appearance in your video?
And the food here, they're famous for chicken rice balls and their asam pedas. Should be lah. So if we have the chance to find a place that has the best of those two, then we shall go there. To the wild with JPEG. So you can see the route that we are walking on right now, cutting through the whole city. So you can actually walk through the entire city. You can have a look at all those buildings with this path, and you can skip all the jam. So it's not worth to drive. Oops. And you can see people renting their bikes or electric bikes and just having a stroll in the afternoon. And yeah, one's jogging, working out and living a healthy life. I think Melaka people are healthy somehow. What? That's huge. Oh my lord. Oh. Huge. Oh. JPEG. Oh man.
Kalau you nak jalan balik, tapi kalau ada shortcut kita tengok boat tu dia pas kita punya tempat, kita boleh naik.
Oh, then you stop by.
Dia yang bridge tadi dia stop by, nanti kita berhenti lah. Kalau dia berhenti lah, kalau dia U-turn.
So we just finished walking the street of Chinatown and now we are in Little India. So Malaysia really is a cultural melting pot. One street. Sorry?
Cafe and guest house, legend.
Running to avoid birds sitting on it. Look at that.
The bastion since the in our history, I don't know about some.
It's right here. This is like a mini fort. One Malaysia. And the famous Hard Rock Cafe. They have nasi lemak hijau. So this is one of the places where they have, oh my god, look at this cat. Okay, this is called KZ Malay food. Let's go, let's try. Visit Melaka 2019. They have asam pedas, chicken rice ball. Come. Oh, coconut shake is a must. Have a chicken rice ball with ayam madu, basically honey roasted chicken. Looks like tandoori, eh? Oh, cannot wait to eat. chicken rice ball. It's like a cauliflower mash.
Kalau otak.
The texture. Not bad at all. And I ordered asam pedas ikan pari. Yes. House. Oh, it's super salty. But I think I have to mix with the rice. So if you guys saw that place, it wasn't full at all. But now we know why. Okay, I guess if something is not nice, you don't eat a lot. The best way to say it. And I highly do not recommend that place. It was by instinct, it was by impulse. Just don't go there. Everything was overly salty, to put it in the best way. No love in the meals. After that meal, we are straight away stopping by to pray. Pray for better meals. So we are at Jonker Walk on a Tuesday night. I can imagine if it was on a weekend, confirm penuh man, but it's almost empty. Just with a few restaurants here and there, and just us. Okay, night cruise. The blue cruise. And that was around 40 minutes worth of cruising, and they played the non-stop Malay dangdut EDM, which made us want to kill ourselves. So we just got back from the river cruise. It was great until they started playing an hour long of Malay dangdut EDM for an hour straight, which has the potential to possibly remove every good memory I had in my life. So that is all for today, folks. Today was not much of a food vlog, it's more of a walk vlog. And due to the fact that we had one of the most saddest meals for us, tomorrow we have to redeem ourselves. So thanks for watching, take care, see you in the next video, bye bye.